Hi everybody. Today I'm gonna put in a new radiator. Bought this on eBay. Gonna explain it to you in a little while. The thing is that when I built the car, I put in a Volkswagen Polo 1.3 standard radiator. At that time I was still running with a 1.6 Ford engine, and at this moment it's a 2.0, so a 2-liter ST170. And to be honest, when the temperatures in the Netherlands are like around 20 degrees, it's doable when the temperature stays low. But when you go in the higher temperatures, so when the weather is really nice to drive around, approximately 25 degrees, I can say that the electric cooler is doing a lot to cool down the engine, because it's a little bit wrong radiator on this one. Yeah, so bought it in the UK, company named Coolant. Looks really fine, and I'm gonna show you how I build it in. First we remove the body of a F150 Ford pickup truck. That's also something I'm working on, and you can find that also on my movie channel if you want to see those. Now we continue with the Westfield. Like it will fit. I have to make some new brackets because the brackets are a little bit outside of the frame of this one, the new aluminum one, and the cooling part of the redirecting. My channel name says it, like to build. Yeah, draining the coolant. I always having the luck that it goes somewhere where I don't want it to go. As you can see over here, I think I spilled half of it beside my funnel over here, so it's always great working on these things. Small comparison, it's a little bit, only small differences. second try. It's gonna be a little bit out of the middle. Thinking of when you're sitting in the car, it's going to be more like driver's side. Nobody will see it. Gonna redirect the airflow a little bit from the middle. I don't know if it's required to have an extra flow coming out of the nose, but I'm gonna check that. So we have to do some rebuilding of some brackets. So after the test drive, I'm still getting a failure code. It's the P1383. So that will be my next job in the following movie, trying to track down what this problem is. And yeah, so see you in the next one. If you like this, please subscribe and give your thumbs up, so that will help me let my channel grow. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.